Alright, I've got to be quick because the battery's about to die, but Raceland have just sent me these and I've just got them through the post. I will explain more, I just want to open them up because I'm really excited. Got to be opened before the camera battery dies. Camera is about to die, and if it dies that means I can't look inside, and then I have to wait for the camera to be charged, I mean. Install videos. Oh, this is going to be an install video, so link myself. Well, no, not this one. Read before install. No, we'll read that later. Oh, wow, they look sick. I did not expect that.
They do actually look really cool.
I don't even know what ones these are. They just sent me them. What's this? And?
If you wrap your car.
Oh, I didn't even realise.
It's got copper.
I know, it's like they knew. I'm hyped. I want to get these on. Tea? There's your tea. You're welcome. No, your one's over there, Duff. Dead me. Dead me and Duff.
Oh my god! Is that BWTV?
The prophecy is true.
Good girl. Okay, so what have we got here then, Duff? We got to explain to the camera that all this stuff that we have here. You start. You want to start with these? I've literally just shown them these, but you still want to start with these. All right. Okay. We're opening it. What's in here then, Duff? It's a box. Wow. It's another box. She's gonna she will give herself a paper cut one day. Won't you? Duffy's gonna be taking over the channel.
Yeah, this channel is BWTV.
Duff wants to vlog. Do ya? Should we drop this on you? Do you want to carry this out to the car? Yeah? You think you can carry this? Yeah, go on in. Alright, sorry. Alright, so I think I should explain what we have here. There's a whole bunch of stuff for the Golf. Yesterday, obviously, you saw these. I was sent these. I'm going to explain it properly because I didn't really explain it. Raceland got in contact with me. They weren't interested in what car I was going to buy next, and they wanted to help me start modifying the next car by throwing on some coilovers for it. But that's when I decided I'm going to keep the Golf because I miss it so fucking much. You know, I miss the Golf, so that's why all of this stuff here is for the Golf. So I told them that. Very kindly sent me over for free some of their coilovers. Now this isn't sponsored. I'm not getting any money from them. I don't have to lie to you guys about what the ride is like on these. I'm going to tell you my honest opinion on them, what the ride is like, what the comfort's like, because I like a sturdy ride, but I also like comfort. I really like the way that the Audi feels because it's stiff, but it's also really comfy. Now, I don't expect these to be really comfy because they're coilovers. Obviously, coilovers are always going to be more harsh. But it'll be interesting to compare it to the current springs that are on the Golf. So, yeah, that's what these are. I just can't believe it. That is the colour of my engine bay and is the colour of, well, it was the colour of my brake calipers before they got really dirty. Oh, so much stuff I want to do. But that's like the whole contrast colour that I'm going on with Golf. And then the colour of the wrap that I will eventually be getting, it works, okay? It will work. So yeah, these will be going on in the next few weeks. I just need to get some help with them because the last time I tried to install something to do with the suspension, it didn't go very well. Shall I move my foot?
No, I need your foot.
Oh my god! Go follow Raceland on Instagram, and if you're interested in getting some of these yourself, these are just over £200, so they are cheap. That's my old radio, I'm not really sure why that's here. My babies are back. The lights have returned, all clean, with the LEDs intact. Probably just putting these back on today because I've missed them. For every single person asking, because I can tell that I'm already going to get questions on these, a big shout out to the group Harry's Mark IV Mods. On there, you can, if you want to attempt to make some of these yourself, go onto their Facebook page. Anyone on there will give you a hand doing it. There's loads of people doing their own custom headlights, or you can speak with the man himself. I'm not going to mention his name because he's the only person doing them, and he's up to his fucking roof though with orders for these. But you can make these yourself if you're interested. But yeah, they are very good quality and they look beautiful. I'm gonna go get the other one out because I haven't actually seen the other one yet. Hydraulic, low profile trolley jack for the new lows. Yeah, I thought I'd grab a low profile. There it is. Thought I'd grab a low profile one because obviously it's going to be lower, and the other one that I've got doesn't get, it gets a high up the car like that high, and it's just stupid. I haven't actually opened this up yet, so I'm going to do that right now. And then, of course, you've got the splitter, and the splitter will be going on, I think next week. I'm going to put the lights on, and then probably test out the jack to see how high we can get the car up.
Duff, what do you think?
Duff, you're going the wrong way.
Good girl. Little tussies.
They will. She'll suck them in a minute.
This little pig.
Oh,
she's in.
no, the tail's going in now.
Pass me the camera. Oh, God, she's going to crash. What we've got here, boys, is a big group of fucking car parts that need to go on the car, and the car's currently sitting here. Oh, there was a cobweb, because there's a spider living there. I changed slightly something, whilst you guys were not looking.
Do you mean you slightly changed something, not a slight something?
Same thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
All of this down here was a big mess, because I changed the thing which should have helped the car run a bit better, but it didn't. So then I changed it back, but made it better. I added a new 90 degrees hose so that it's not bending anything, which then runs down to the main PCV hose thing. And I really do need a zip tie on that, but it's basically, it's all straightforward now. It's all a bit better. There's just stuff is connected to stuff, it's not loose or anything like that. Obviously it's still on trickle charge because otherwise it's gonna just die. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the lights back in, and then I have to decide what I want to do first. I want to put the splitter on the bumper, or do I want to put the coilovers on the car? It needs a new tyre though. How sad is that? Brand new tyre and it popped. Since parking it in here, it's had a really funny smell. It's like musky. It just smells horrible. Let's test this jack out. Halford special, 40 quid in the sale. Low profile, so when the car goes low I'll be able to get it under. If you've never used one of these before, you turn this little twiddly thing all the way to the right. You find the jacking point. In these Golfs there's a dent in the sill where it goes. Oh, let's lift it up the other side as well. So the car is currently on its side. That's probably not good for the car. I'm going to put it slightly back down. And then to put it back down, you gently put it to the left.
Ooh, that's really
Sorry, it's just my handbrake. Let's get the lights in. I can't even remember where I put the bolts for the lights. That's bad, isn't it?
Yeah, are they not on the magnetic tray in there?
No, because I don't even remember what that is. That was from, oh, that's from this, when we half tried to get this out, the bolts from it. Oh wait, this could be it. Bits. Very helpful, Bradley, thank you. Oh, it does say golf bits, okay. That's rain, by the way. My nipple isn't leaking.
I'd be worried if your nipple was there.
Yeah, me too. Anyway, should we put these bits on the car? Cargo, doing car stuff. So originally the clip had broken, well, the light had broken, but he's fixed it. Fixed the clip, so now I need to just get that off. I seem to just lose bolts. There's one bolt there, and one bolt there. I missed that one.
Right, can you pass me a bolt, please?
Oh yeah.
That's what this channel really is. I fix the Golf.
Yeah, behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Right, now you got this all the coilovers.
Huh, that's not what this video is.
Oh, you got me. I missed the lights. They look so tiny now. Look at them. So much clean. Oh, there's a dead bug on the inside. I'm gonna have to send them back. Can't be having that. Yeah, you just. I'm getting in the way. You go turn it on. And we'll see if this. Just put it on the first option. Hey, we have life.
Your car really does stink.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? I don't know what it is. It's like a dead animal, just or a cat is shat in it or something. Yeah, they work. All good.
Oh.
Yeah. Sweet. Once again, big shout out to Raceland for sending these over. Cannot wait to get these on and installed. I will be trying to do it myself with some help, hopefully. We'll see how that goes. She's just taking over. I don't need to be here anymore. Forgot to mention while we're here, the Audi's MOT expires this weekend. Or did expire this weekend. I phoned up a garage, well I phoned up 2 garages last minute, asking if they have anything for today. And no, neither of them did. So I said, okay, do you have anything late Friday? And they said, okay, 5 o'clock Friday evening, we'll get it in for MOT. And it had its MOT. And this was gonna be the true test to find out if everything I've done to it was worth it or if the car is just completely fucked. And I am happy to say, since the spring was repaired, since there's no codes, a new tyre, basically all the important stuff, it passed its MOT with 0 advisories. And it's not a fucking fake MOT, alright? It's a genuine one. Took it to a place just down the road from me. Boom. Audi TT pass. Boom. Boom. Fuck you haters saying that my car's a shed. It's not a shed. It's a very lovely car and it's going to be for sale now. Well, it'll be for sale when the clocks came around because these clocks have basically been a massive issue. I'm just going to talk about this quickly now for the people who care because I understand that not all of you care, but okay, so on the miles per hour clocks, the screen was broken, as you guys know, and the miles per hour gauge was at like -20, -30 miles per hour. So I bought new clocks for it, which everything was working fine. That got coded to the car, but the mileage was about 30,000 miles above what it should have been. So it was saying the car was on like 145,000 miles when it was only on 117,000 miles. And this bugged me a lot. I don't want to take it for an MOT with 30,000 miles above what it should have because that's going to put people off buying it. It's going to make me look bad and it's going to be like, what's going on here? So I was determined to get the mileage done. Basically the car bricked us out, so we had no way of I had no way of driving the car for that night. I had to take Lucy's car to work the following day, and then the guy came back round the next evening to try to swap the new screen to the new screen into the old clocks. But then that screen also broke, and then my other screen broke. So at the moment, the miles per hour works fine, everything works fine, and the mileage is correct, but it's got no screen at all. The screen is fucked, so I need to take it. I need to send them off to. I know a few people know him. He's called AR Ditter. He does like screen swaps and stuff for these cars. So I'll be taking it to him, well, posting it to him, get it swapped for a new screen, bring it back, and then I can sell it. Everyone will be happy. Happy days selling the TT. But honestly, it's been such a fun car to drive. Since I fixed everything on it, it's been such a beauty to drive. I love it. It handles amazingly. It sounds alright. I mean, it's not about the sound, it's just his hand was fun. And it was a bit of fun for the summer because it's a soft top. That was the reason I bought it. It was an itch, I've scratched the itch. You lot saying, why the hell did I even buy a TT? I'm done explaining myself. It was my car. I'm not going to explain it anymore. I think this video's been long enough. Thank you very much for watching. And hope you enjoyed. I've now got to tidy this up. Oh no, she's on it already. She's already got. I'm just gonna go back to bed. I think I don't need to be here. Thank you for watching, guys. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. We smashed 300 likes in 24 hours last time, so I want to sort of try and do that again. Should we try and reach what?
350 for me and for Duff.
300. You heard it.
Within 24 hours.
350 likes within 24 hours for Lucy and for Duff. Can it be possible? Depends how much you guys like them both, I suppose.
If we don't do it, you'll never see me and Duff again.
That's a deal. If we don't get 350 likes, you're not ever seeing Duffy again. Or Lucy. We all know Duffy is the star of the show. Everyone fucking loves her. She does. You can't
She
even
is a
deny
star.
it. It's a shame she's not here to say goodbye. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Follow me over on Twitter and on Instagram, like my Facebook page, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.